Morning everyone. Today we're going to start a NC manufacturing methodology. Okay. What is this methodology? How many types are there? Methodology is nothing but process. So how many process? Process planning, part programming, tape preparation, tape verification and production. These are the different manufacturing methodology of NC system. Okay. NC system is numerical control system. These are 5 types of methodologies. So first one is process planning. So what is process planning? Depending upon the job to be machined, a route sheet is made readily. Route sheet lists of sequence of operations which must be prepared to get the final product. It also lists a variety of machines on which the part must be progressively machined. So what is this process planning? Process planning is concerned with the preparation of route sheet. What is this route sheet? Route sheet means from starting to the last. That is called route sheet. The route sheet is a listing of sequence of operation. So sequence of operation, listing of sequence of operation means one by one step, first what, next what, like that sequence of operation which must be performed on the work part. So on the job, which machine, which work should be done first, then which one, then next one, which one, like that we should plan. That is called sequence of operation which must be performed on the work part. That is called process planning. So this work part, this includes what are the manufacturing operations. So first step, manufacturing operation, different types of manufacturing operation required to be done on the job work. The sequence of operations, what are the tools. Next one is what are the tools and work holding devices required. These are the 3 process planning. First one is what manufacturing operation required to be done on the job. Next, what are the tools we should need. Next, work holding devices. What are the work holding devices we should need for doing this components. That is called process planning. Before only we'll plan and uh, take down in the sheet. That is called route sheet. Okay. Next one, what is that? Tape preparation. What is tape preparation? Oh no, before that tape preparation, part programming is there. Part programming. What is part programming? A part programming is the process of making NC instructions. Part programming can be done manually or computer assessed. So two ways. A part programming is process of making NC system. So what is that? A part program plans the process. So what this do? It plans the process of job to be accomplished, means to be done. It progress the plan, the system which to be done of a job to accomplished by the NC. There are two ways to progress of NC. They are manual part programming and computational assigned part programming. So part programming consists of 2 types. One is manual part programming and computer assist part programming. In manual part programming, what does it do? In manual part programming, the machine is instructed or prepared to a form called a part programming manuscript. So a manuscript is written for manual part programming. Machine instruction, in that machine instruction for preparing job is called manual part programming. This manuscript is listing of relative cutter of workpiece position. So what will write script for workpiece, how to cut the workpiece, which must be followed to the machine parts, and which course to be followed to the machine. This is called manual part programming. In computational assist part programming, what it does, it must be tendencies to computational work required to manual part programming transferred to the computer. So whatever the we have written in manual part programming that will transfer to the computational assigned part programming. Then the machine will understand and transfer the language to the computer. That is called part programming of the computational assigned. Understood? First manual part programming, then computational. In manual part programming, we will write the program and send it to the manuscript. From there, the computational assign will transfer the data to the system and the machine will run. So this is called part programming. Next, tape preparation. What is the tape preparation? So part programming information is put on the media of choice. So it is put on the media of choice. If a paper tape is to be punched, the part program is fed to tape punched machine. Magnetic media can also be used. So what this means, after the punch tape have been prepared, eh, so tape preparation means tape having with hose. Okay, to that we'll store the data. So in manual part programming, what we are doing, the punch tapes is prepared directly from the part programming manuscript. So from manuscript we'll collect the data and store in this tape preparation. Okay, on typewriting like device it will be. So tape preparation is like a typewriting machine like device we are having, same like that only with hose it will be. In computer assist part programming, the computer prepares a detailed set of machine tools. So it sets the machine tools motion commands and then controls the tape punch device to prepare the tape from the specific NC machine. So it collects the data from this tape preparation and manuscript motion. This motion commands controls the tape punch and the tape reader will read the instruction, and this follows it take the instruction and system and run NC machine will run. This is called tape preparation. Next, tape verification. What does it do? Tape verification, what the paper tape prepared has to be checked for correctness and possible errors. So it should check whether the correctness is there not or any error. The tape readers is an optional device which reads the tape and validates it. Sometime form of soft metal can be cut as a test run using the punch tape. So what this is doing, so after punch tape have been prepared, what is the usually provides checking. This will tape verification means this is checking the accuracy of the tape. So it will check the accuracy of the tape. The accuracy of the tape is generally tested and modified by dry runs on the NC machine. So tape readers will be checked by the modified by the dry runs like that in machine it will be. So it will check the accuracy of the tape. So this NC machine of the runner is through a computer. So through computer the program which plots the various tools movements. So from computers it starts the program and plots the various movements. In this way the major error in the tape can be discovered. So by running this machine various major errors can be find out. So what this tape verification do, it checks the accuracy of the tape, and the tape generally tests the modified by dry runner in the NC machine. So in the NC machine the dry runner will be there. From there it will check the accuracy, and by running through the computer program plots the various tool movements. So from running through the computer commands, it plots the various tool movements. In this way the runner errors of the tape can be discovered. So in this way it collects the error of the discovered. Next one, what is that? Production. What is this? Final step in the NC process, use the machine tool to produce the part in consideration. Typical involves machine tools, raw blanking, cutting tools, coolant, etc. These are production. So what this involves ordering the work parts, specifying and preparing tools and fixtures. So production means this orders what to do now, like that. In workpiece, specifying the tooling and fixtures. So how to tool, how to fix the job that may be required. So it orders the job to fixing and tool fixing and fixing the job. Operator's function is to load the raw material part in the machine and establish the starting position of the cutting tool. So here the operators will do loading the work and then removing the work after finishing. This will do the operator. So operator function is to load the raw material to the machine and establish the starting position of the cutter tool. Next, then the machine is completed as per instruction. So after finishing the program of the job, what it do? The work part is completed. The operation removes the finished workpiece from the machine and loads the next workpiece. So after finishing, so what the operator do? It loads the workpieces to the machine, and after finishing the whole program of that in NC machine, it changes the job again. It replaces the job, finishing the job, he takes out and keeps the another load of the workpiece. So this is called production. Next, NC motion control. What is this NC motion control system? So numerical control motion system. What are these? In order to accomplish the machining process, the cutter tool and the workpiece must be moved relatively to each other. Yes, what is this? The machine tool and machine process. While the machine process is running, cutting tool and the workpiece must be moved. These two will be moving. There are three basic type of motion. So while moving the workpiece and the tool, the three different basics are there. First one is point to point, that is PTP. Next, starting cutter. Next, contouring cutter. Contouring. So these are the three different types of motions or position control system. So what are these? First one is point to point cut, PTP also it is called. What does it do? Point to point means from first point to last point. Okay. What this do? It is also called position system. So it is called position system. In PTP, the objectives of the motion tool control system. So it controls the system. It moves the cutting tool to a predefined location. So it moves the tool to predefined means where the starting position has defined for the tool. From there it will start. So control the system. It moves the cutting tool to predefined location. Okay. The principal function of PTP is to position the tool from one point to the other within coordinate system. So whatever coordinates we have given, in that coordinates only this tool should be moved. That is called point to point cutting. So in between two locations, no cutting take place. There are the least expensive cutter systems. So examples of NC drilling press, all these are the examples. So what this point to point cutting diagram? So starting point object, that is the, here is the job work upon ours. So how we have given the prepare the program. So like that it will from start position to it comes to the some distance and it will stop. From there it goes, it rotates the job and again it starts. So this is called tool path. Moving from here to here is called tool path. Next, operation performed at each end of the location. Each end of this location, operation will changing. That is called point to point. Okay. Next, we'll see straight cut. What is this straight cut? So these are capable of moving the cutting tool parallel one of the major axis. So these cutters will be moving parallel to the job. One of the major axis at a controlled rate suitable of the machine. So one of the major axis will be fixed at the control rate suitable for machine. So one of the major axis will fix it and the other thing will be moving parallel to the machine. So this is called straight cut. So straight cut controls systems are capable of moving the cutting tool along the major axis. Okay, along the axis it moves, z axis it moves along the axis. However, it will not be able to control the movement of the tool in moving than one major axis. So it won't control the movement of the tool. So tool will be moving. The system enables milling along the major axis at a time. It can be performed PTB position also. Example NC milling. So example for straight cutting is milling machine. So this is the diagram of straight cut. Starting point from 0 0 it will start. From there it go to the workpiece and the down is cutting tool. It cutting the job. Then this is the movement of this is called tool path from starting to last. Tool path operation performed during the tool motion x or y axis. Okay, that is called starting cutting. Next, contouring NC machine. Okay, what is this contouring NC machine will do? This is the most complex and most flexible motion system of all. Expensive compared to the other two systems. It is capable of doing PTP straight cutter contour. Okay, in essence of the NC control will have the tool to move. So this is the diagram of contour NC machine. It drill the hole roundly or curve position, all those things. Straight cutting cut mode. This is here it is cutting straight cut mode. Then it is curve it is there. Switching to the circle path, some arc it is taking, interpolation will give, then back to the straight. Again it will tool will be cutting in the straight. So it is having what curve position, next circular interpolation, next it is going straight. So this is called contour NC machine. This shape is called contour interpolation. What this do? So contour control system to machine high precision machining the motion of the axis. So high precision means high accuracy. So the achievement of high accuracy of the motion axis of these machine tools. So it is very accuracy. Need to be controlled so that they follow a direct path. So the path is a direct path. The system can be machined any circular, conical or any shape of that can be mathematically so. So it can tool can drill circular shape, conical shape, arc shape. These all shapes it can take out the material from that. These are also called continuous path NC system. So it is also called continuous in numerical control. The path of the cutter is continuously controlled to generate the desired geometry of the workpiece. So how we need the design of the job, like that we can control the tool by changing the tool and giving the shape to the job work. Like that we can change tool and workpiece in contour NC machines. Okay, so today what we have studied, manufacturing methodology of NC systems. So in that different types of methodology. Five types: process planning, part programming, tape preparation, tape verification, and production. So in that we have seen different types of productions, how it runs. Next, what we have seen, classification of NC machine tools or NC motion control system. So in this, according to the motion positions,